In today's video, I will walk you through how to share your Shopify store link. Start by going to your Shopify admin dashboard. Once you're there, look toward the bottom left corner of the screen and click on Settings. After opening Settings, look at the menu on the left side and find Domains. Click on Domains to continue. This section displays the domains connected to your Shopify store. When the Domains page opens, you'll see a list of the domains associated with your store. This may include your primary domain, as well as any additional domains that have been connected to the store. Take a moment to locate the domain that you want to share. In most cases, you'll want to use your primary domain, since that is the main address visitors use to access your store. Once you've found the correct domain, select it and copy the web address. You can do this by highlighting the domain and using your preferred copy method. If you're using a Windows computer, you can use Ctrl+C. If you're using a Mac, you can use Command+C. You can also use the copy option available through your browser or operating system if needed. After copying the domain, your Shopify store link is ready to share. You can paste it wherever you need by using your preferred paste method. This allows you to quickly send your store link to customers, colleagues, or anyone who needs access to your store. If your store has multiple domains listed, make sure you copy the exact domain you want visitors to use. Reviewing the list before copying helps ensure you're sharing the correct address. The domain section remains available whenever you need to access your store link again. If you update or add domains in the future, you can return to this same area to view and copy the latest domain information. Once you've copied the correct domain, the process is complete. You now have your Shopify store link and can share it wherever needed. And that's all there is to it. By going to Settings, opening Domains, locating the domain you want to use, and copying it, you can quickly find and share your Shopify store link whenever necessary. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.